Changing your verification method on Netflix can enhance your account's security and improve your viewing experience. Follow these steps to update your verification settings. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Netflix website or open the app and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have access to the account you want to modify. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings. On the website, click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select Account from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Find Security Settings. Scroll down to the Security section within your account settings. Here, you will find options related to your account security and verification methods. Step 4. Change verification method. Select the option to change your verification method. You may have options such as email, phone number, or authentication apps. Choose your preferred method and follow the prompts to update it. Step 5. Confirm changes. After selecting a new verification method, you may need to verify your choice through a confirmation code sent to your new method. Follow the instructions provided to complete the process. Once you have completed these steps, your verification method will be updated. Regularly check your account settings to ensure your security preferences are current.